Alright, so for the lesson sequence, start out with building the foundation of extracting main ideas from newspaper articles. Students will be able to read through a couple different selected articles, and then we're going to create a 5Ws graphic organizer. This is a quick way of finding the who, what, where, when, why. After completing that first lesson, the next lesson I will introduce the class to the new short story that they'll be reading in the co-teaching classroom. We're going to read through that story as a group together. When I read it, at the end of each paragraph or page, students are going to create a post-it note drawing of what they have read. This allows them to sequence different post-its and show the story, highlighting the main ideas with supporting details. In the third lesson, the students in the whole Gen Ed class will be introduced to the new story, Contents of a Dead Man's Pocket. Students will then pair up and read that with a partner. After they finish the story, they're going to underline the values of Tom, the main character in the story. They will then get into different groups and discuss with a partner their findings. The final task of this assignment is they're going to write 2 to 3 sentences on paper. This will demonstrate that they're ready for the formative assessment, which is a 5-question worksheet or quiz. I consider this scope and sequence because it allowed the students to get the baseline knowledge right away to show me that they are ready to learn. Using the KWL chart, it also let me see what they wanted to learn. I think starting off with this easy foundation allowed them to master the concept right away. In lesson 2, when I had them draw the post-it pictures, it really engaged the students in a different way, allowing them to use their creativity and putting themselves in the main character's shoes and feelings. Once the students were able to comprehend the values of the main character, they can then be ready for their formative assessment.